What's up, Mr. fucking Desert Dime?
All right, boys, we're back in the garage. If you watched the video, like what, 2 days ago or something, you saw that we were prepping for bump stops, and I may have misled some people and let them think that they were for me, but they're not for me. They're for Garrett's Frontier. Where'd you get these from? Are they new or used?
Those are brand new.
I was gonna say they look pretty spanking new, dude.
Yeah, they're brand new, but they got a little bit of marks on them.
Whose can holders are these?
So CJD Racing, I hit them up. I actually took a while to find them. I hit them up. They were able to get me those mounts made within like a week of me asking for them. What we got to do is we have to take my old strike pad and we have to cut it off. And then we got to mock it up. We're going to cycle it. Then we're gonna just bolt it for right now. My buddy Chad Stocko, he's gonna be welding it later on. And look at Gio's playing there with
doing a little light show.
Yeah, I know. Do you have an umbrella?
Yeah, I don't think we could have picked a more perfect day to do this.
Hey, no, this is the only day I get off of work unless I request a day. So.
See, when you ask, you're like, do you want to do it Monday? And I'm thinking in my mind, I'm like, I think it's supposed to rain Monday. Start spraying, boy, it's getting wet.
All right, got our old trusty Steel It right here.
You might have to dry them off again. They're already getting sprinkled.
Fun.
Go grinder, bud. Grinder.
So what I was doing is I was marking where the old ones laid. I just made a straight line up, and the center line is actually where it strikes. So it's actually an inch in, and it strikes right here in the center. That's gonna help me for cycling later on, but for right now, it's gonna take a while because I gotta cut off all those welds. This thing is loud. Bro, I almost want to just take this to a shop. This is great.
Why? Why now?
Because my ears are ringing, bro. And it's a lot of welds to cut off. Or box.
What's it been, like 15 minutes?
Yeah.
15-minute progression check. It's
not doing too hot.
It's something. It's something.
Smells like fire. Oh! We got some jiggle.
Keep cutting, boy.
Shut up, boy. By the left hand side, Dimes is gonna get a copyright.
"30 minutes later, and we're almost there, boys. We just have to get the bottom side on the left, and she should be off."
Oh, the metal opened up.
Ow!
Alright guys, so basically we got that old strike pad welded off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark up where we are going to have this mount to. I'm gonna eyeball it. I mean, I'm supposed to measure it out and cycle it, but
Oh, we don't do shit right here at Dime Media.
Dime Media.
This is all, we eyeball everything.
there you go.
Spit on it.
No. I'm gonna leave it like that actually. That's how it's gonna be mounted. You wanna hold the strike side up, please? Oh yeah.
You're gonna be
Perfect.
smacking that fucking bump all day.
Yeah. That bump's gonna go to work.
No, I mean the U-bolts. How are they supposed to fit right here?
They don't. They go around that area. Okay, so when it's
It slid down and now it's grabbing the. What drill are you using?
my Milwaukee.
But these are DeWalt bits. You can't do that. You can't do that. You fucking know you can't do that.
Who says?
The companies. Oh my god, that's a chunky bit. What did we say last time we were doing an install? You don't pay the people to do the work, you pay the people so you don't have to see the work be done.
We said that last time?
Not last time we did this, one of the other times we did it.
Oh. Were we working on my job?
All I know is that sits true for me. As long as I don't see the work be done and I just get it back, I feel a lot better OCD.
I love how all your buttons are crunchy from all the dust. Do you guys think it's time for Dime to invest in an external microphone?
And a new camera.
You want to buy mine? Fuck off. I would like you guys to take a look at some real quick. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
It smells so good in here. Oh yeah, my knuckles just.
VSS your knuckle.
Alright. You're just getting my hand all over, aren't you? Great, that's beautiful, thank you.
You whore.
What do you mean you whore? You sprayed me!
Show the camera. Show the camera your
I
hand.
got a lot of it off, but.
Oh my god, he got you good.
Alright, so we got the whole side sanded down, the whole side smoothed out, we got the holes mocked up, took it back off, it's painted, now we gotta wait for paint to dry, then we could bolt this side up, and then
Don't
it's...
say it's painted. It's steel it is. It takes like 5 minutes to dry. In fact, it's probably already dry. Shout out to Steel.
Anyways. Then we'll throw on the hardware, throw on the can and everything, and then we should be done with one side. Alright, we're running into a fun little problem here. Something that I noticed before we started the project was that these cutouts for the U-bolts on the strike pad side, it's like protruding into where the U-bolt needs to sit into. So I was questioning how's the U-bolt supposed to fit. And now we're running into that problem where it's not like sitting in flush. So now the U-bolts won't go in to the bottom plate because they're getting bowed outward like that. Not that dramatic, but a little bit. So
This is very traumatic.
alright, Gian, what happened here? What'd you do? You just sand down the backside? He's using it
chop the crap out of it, like right here.
on both sides.
Yeah.
So I think they're trying to just fit the U-bolts around the wide part right here. So they sawed the back end down and it fit just enough to get it around. It's all bolted up. We're gonna say torqued down, wink wink. And that's the final product, right? You gotta go send it off at jump now.
No, we have to still tighten the top of that.
No, we have to send it off a jump now.
No torquing any of the bolts, not welded.
We have to tighten
Just
the
send it
top.
straight off a jump.
Fill it with nitrogen.
Nah, you're fine. But I mean, it's already 5 o'clock. I think that's gonna be a wrap for the work
For one side done today.
for today. He's rocking bumps on one side and stock on the other. It's a pretty sweet setup, dude. You should just take it to Hammers like this and test it, do product testing. Let's be honest. If you could go back in time, are you paying a shop to this or are you still doing it yourself?
I'm paying a shop to do this.
I want to get the people's opinions in the comments. Would you send these back to the guy and be like, hey, they ain't fitting? Maybe some new ones? Or would you try to self-modify? Like grind them down, make them fit, repaint them? What do you guys want to do? What would you guys do? I'm so tired. Alright, well I think that's the end of this video. We got one side done, no point in showing the whole same process again. What we can do though is give you guys an update when we're out at King of Hammers and the whole thing's done. But for now, you can't even see it, your tires are too fat, boy. You see the top of it poke out, you got the little blue tip. Alright, well yeah, we'll give you an update when we're out at King of Hammers, but that's it for this interesting install. One-off Nissan kit. As long as you're happy. As long as you're happy, that's all that matters.
I just need to get them pressurized.
Yeah.
And then get my other side done, huh?
Well, we're pretty much done with all of our preps for King of Hammers. I think we still might have one more video to do. Maybe Gian wants to do a little spiciness before we head out, but I think that's it for now, so.